What do we use money for? I'm going to start sharing my screen. Give me a moment where we'll go through a slideshow and we'll explain. So I'll give a brief introduction of myself. My name is Sanjay Rao. I'm a financial planner. I help people make money, understand money, fulfill their dreams, and I'm joined by my co-host Vidya Rao. Vidya, please.
Hey, a very good afternoon to you all. Nice to see all of you out here.
Vidya is my wife. She's a teacher and she does counseling for children. So what better person to have here with us? So she'll be helping me. Okay, now let me go ahead and share my screen.
Please use your chat box wherever you can. I'm going to mute everybody, Sanjay.
Yes,
and we mute everybody?
Yeah. Can you see the slideshow?
No.
Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, 1 minute.
Yes.
A lot of people are still joining. So I want you to use the chat window to tell me what you think about money. Why is it that important? Please type in there. Why is it important?
Rations. To buy rations.
Rations, very good. What else?
Let's have your ideas coming in. To live.
To live. Somebody said to live. What else?
Ved has said we can provide ourselves with necessary commodities.
True, very true. So that is right.
Been written water.
Water, in some places,
electricity.
You need money to buy water. That is very true. Let me just, people are still joining in. Okay.
For better education, Kartikeya says, that's a good one.
Yes. So first thing is the necessities of life. As a lot of you have said already, necessities of life like food, water, air luckily is free so far, and shelter. It does not grow on trees and not waste it. That's good. Medium of change is also correct, right? That is one part is the necessities of life. What else? What else do we need money for?
Prisha is looking for living comfortably.
Very good. Better living, correct. Let's go ahead and see for what else do we need money for. To buy a nice house for to live in, right? To ride that fancy car of yours, you need money to buy cars. To have a wonderful vacation, if you want to travel, what do you need to have? You need to have money. So
We need money.
Exactly. And then charity. It's always good to give. When you give more, get more. Okay, keep that in mind. So this is how money can be used for. That is now we are. Yes, Harsh, please tell what is it that you want to say? Right, so money can be used for all of this. So that is why money is very important. And if anybody tells you that money is not important, you better have a lot of money before, earn a lot before talking such things, right? Because by money will not be everything, it is a lot of things also. Moving on. I'm going to hand over to Vidya now. She's going to talk about what are needs and wants. So over to you, Vidya, please.
Yeah, thank you. Need and want. Okay. Need is something that you all have written right in the box, in the chat box. You have written you want water, you want electricity, you want clothes, you want shelter. This is all your basic necessities, or this is what you all should have. Okay. Want is something that you desire. Say if you have a small house, you want a bigger house. That's your desire, or that's your, sometimes we call it as a greed. We say it's a greed that we want more. We are not satisfied with what we have. Okay. So we're going to the next slide, please, Sanjay.
Yeah.
Absolutely. People do think that money is more important than everything else. We are going to play a small game now, and I want you to use your chat boxes. I want you to type N for whatever I tell, or W. If it's a need, you're going to type N, and if it's a want, you're going to type W. Okay? Now, a need is something you or your family must have in order to live safe, healthy lives. You would need clothes, food, shelter, medicine, and transportation. These are all your basic needs. A want is something that you or your family enjoys. You can wait to you don't have to buy it immediately. That's what it means by a want. Okay, so let's play this game, and I want lots of let's see who's the fastest in this, who's going to answer me the fastest. Okay, so remember, N you're going to type for need and W for want. Chalo, Sanjay, let's start.
All right, here we go. You bought tickets, Vidya, please.
You bought tickets to see your favorite movie star. Is it a want or need? Oh, wow. So many, so fast. Perfect. Obviously, it's a want.
Okay.
Sanjay, next.
And you're right, that's a want. Moving on.
Moving on. Okay. Your parents buy a bus ticket, so they can go to work in the morning. Need or want? Wow, you're too fast for me. Even before I can say the question you're writing. So it's definitely a need. Obviously, only if the bus ticket is there, then only your dad can go to work, or your mother can go to work. Let's move on. Come on, let's move this faster because you all are so good. You go to the store to buy milk, vegetables, and dal. Is it a want or a need? Reed says a need. Harsh says a want. Harsh, you want to say why it's a want?
It's a need.
Okay, it's obviously a need. It has to be. Without milk and vegetables and dal, how are you going to survive? Okay, moving on. Sanjay, let's move. You and your friends go out to dinner and then you see a movie, and obviously popcorn has to be there. So this has to be nothing but wonderful. All of you have written a want. Perfect. You really know your needs and wants. Excellent. Now, the fifth one, you go to the doctor and get an X-ray because you fell and hurt your leg. Want or need? Very nice. So many of you. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. It's a need. Yes, Maya, you're right, because it's a necessity. Very nice. And you get a new TV at the store, bigger than the old TV. Want or need? Yeah, it's a want. Perfect. But I think you could have even done with your old TV, right? You can still see your cartoons in it. You can still see your favorite pop star, your MTV, right? So it's basically a want. It's unnecessary. You can still survive with what you have. Exactly, Kartikeya. Why do we need it if we already have a TV? But there are people who want everything bigger. For the society, I would say. They want to show off. They want to say, I have to. Unless, of course, yes, Reed, if the old one is broken, then you can go and buy a new one. But I think you can still survive without a TV, okay? All right, Sanjay, let's move on.
Yeah, and Madhvi, you've been sending private messages by mistake instead of everyone. So it is a want just because you're replacing it by something that is more expensive, right? You can always go
Right.
like a smaller one or a less expensive.
Yeah, Reed, 50-50 you can say for this. Okay. Next, Sanjay.
This is one of my
Your relative
favorites.
is getting married and is planning to buy a wedding dress costing more than 50,000. Forget your relative. Even when you go for you prepare for a wedding, you have your cousin's wedding. Obviously, you go shopping and you have to buy so many clothes, jewelry, shoes, accessories. So is it all necessary? Can we do without it? Because we never even, probably we won't even wear it later on. It's a one-time use. So
See, I
it's
saw a
not
good
a
answer.
need.
I saw a good answer floating by saying you should buy a medium expense one, which is very good.
Yeah, true, a medium express one. Okay, that's a want. And the last and the final for this round, my favorite. You pester your dad to buy a Lamborghini, a want or a need. I'm sure many of the boys out there
I
joining
saw a
us
few
would say
needs.
it's
I
a
saw a few
need.
needs
They want
going by.
they definitely need that car. Want. Want only for boys?
Yeah,
Wonderful.
definitely is a want, right?
I think, Sanjay, I think our group out here is well sorted. They do know what their needs are and their wants are. And
Correct.
I
See,
think it's Reed says it's a favorite car. Reed, that's even my favorite car, but I don't think I want it now.
yes, Maya, it's not necessary to buy such an expensive car. See, a lot
Correct.
of times, right? A lot of times, what we end up doing is we end up doing it because somebody else has done it. We want to look good, right?
Right. Yeah.
I'm sure this is
So,
Vedant's.
Sanjay, since they now know the difference between need and want, I think now they know that for them, need is important, want can wait, and that's why we should move to the next topic, which is savings. Sanjay, can you take over? Savings?
Yes. Let me take it over. Okay, I'm not. What is savings? So now that we know the difference between what a want is and what a need is, we will find out about savings. Can you tell me why do we save? I want you guys writing. Why is savings important? Why do we have to save money? And what is savings? What are savings? Please type in the chat. And why do we need savings? For retirement, brilliant. To use money right on time. For future, for spending money, we save money for later. Exactly. As Vidya said, it's a brilliant audience, right? So moving on, I'm going to talk to you about savings. Savings, income or money that is not spent. Any money that you put in your bank account, put into investment, these are called your savings, right? Now we are going to talk why is saving so important. I think we have a very smart audience here. We are too young to think about retiring, but yes, that is right. You need money to retire. You need money to retire early. That's the most important part. So now let's go to the next screen. So we have two people over here. Okay, one of them is called Trump and the other one is called Warren. Of course, these names don't, they are fictitious names. Now both get an income of rupees 20,000 a month. Both are getting the same income. Now Trump is one. He pays his bills. He loves going out. He loves going out. He loves to shop. He shops as soon as he gets his salary, he starts shopping. He goes and buy new things. He gets a new car every other year, right? Every other year he gets a new car. He does not save any money. By the time the end of the month comes, he's waiting for his salary to come. Now Warren, on the other hand, what does Warren do?
माझा फोन पाहिजे.
Warren doesn't go out regularly. He goes out once in a while. When he needs to shop, he buys.
हाँ केलंय मी डाउनलोड.
Sanjay, I'd like to interrupt you. Could you please mute everybody?
Yes.
अगं तू हे घे ना. तू हे घे की मला त्याच्यात टाक दे की.
Can you mute, guys? All right. So Warren, what is he does not. He shops less. Doesn't buy a new car every other year. He saves money. What Warren does is he ends up saving 5,000 rupees every month. Now what does it help? Trump thinks that he's looking good, he's wealthy. He comes home to a lot of bills, stress, debt. He's never has money in his pockets. He's always stuck in a rat race. What do you mean by rat race? Means he has to keep working all the time because he doesn't have any money left. And let's see what
Trump now घेतलाय.
With Warren. Warren does not spend on fancy stuff and the latest fashion trends every season. Instead, he lives on 15,000 per month and puts away 5,000 every year, very religiously. By the end of the year, he has saved around 60,000 rupees, which he puts in investments. What happens after 10 years, right? When we have 10 years, our Mr. Trump is looking good, but is not going anywhere. He's still the same, always looking for end of the month to get his salary so he can spend again. But Warren,
Sanjay,
yes,
1 minute. I think Maya missed some of the stuff. She would like to understand it again. Okay, so if you could just tell her that it is about these two people that you have compared.
Right. So we are talking about Warren, two people actually. One person spends all his money as soon as he gets his salary, whereas the other person just spends on things that he has to spend, saves out of the 20,000 that he gets every month, he saves 5,000. He invests wisely every month, year on year. And after 10 years, what happens? We are looking at a scenario after 10 years. He still does spending. He has no money with him, but he keeps due to his wise investments, has 13 lakhs with him now. So money grows, right? When you give it time. So we keep thinking that, oh, I don't have any money. But even a little bit of money goes a long way in building your wealth. Now, anyone tell me who these two people are quickly on the chat? Can you guys tell me who these people are?
Very good, Bill Gates. One, Kartikeya said Bill Gates. Very nice, Sanket, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett.
Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. See, the idea of this is, these guys are so rich, but you can't see a single Gucci belt inside. What is a Gucci belt? It's a high-end brand name. So they don't believe in spending unnecessary money. They know that all they need is a regular belt. And this is a very important saying. A huge high income combined with no desire to impress anyone is a potent combination for saving a ridiculous amount of money, right? You should always stop thinking you don't have to impress anyone.
अगं क्वालिटी इतकी खराब आहे, डोकं दुखतंय माझं.
डोकं दुखतंय. Mute वर जा. Can you go on mute? I got it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so a high income combined with a desire to impress is a potent combination for saving a ridiculous amount of money. Did you all understand about this? Why are savings important? Any questions on savings? So guys, we have another 4 minutes. What we'll do is we'll come back into the same chat room if this gets cut, okay? Or we'll try and wrap it up. I don't think it'll be possible to wrap it up, but that's what we'll try. Let's go ahead. Can anyone tell me what are assets and what are liabilities? Praneet said savings is a form of economic paradox, good for oneself, bad for the economy, but we will come forward as to how we move savings into another level. There we'll see how good it is for the country also. Yeah. What are assets and what are liabilities? So before we'll just stay on this screen for some time talking about this. And then we will join back the same chat, okay? Because this will end in another 3 minutes. So I don't want to start it halfway.
Sanjay, Praneet has given an excellent reply.
Yes.
I think you should see what Praneet has written.
Can you tell me what it is? What is he?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find it because so many people messaged after that, but it was really good.
Regarding the economy, right? Savings is a form.
No, regarding assets and...
Praneet can unmute himself. Yes, Praneet?
Praneet, can you please tell beta?
About what? About which sentence?
You said assets and liabilities. You had written it very well.
Yeah, so basically in accounting terms, assets are the things that you own, your capital, not your capital, sorry, your machinery and stuff that you use for production. In the sense that which you own, which you put your own money in. Liabilities are basically, suppose you take a loan and then, so loans are your liabilities, assets are which you own.
Very nice.
So
Very
he
nice.
had written, Sanjay, he had written assets are owned and liabilities are owed.
Yes, thanks Sanket also for putting it out. Yes, exactly. Assets is what you own, which is your own, which has got some value. Okay. So guys, what we'll do is we'll get back into this, into the chat room because it's going to end in the next, and we will log using the same one. We'll continue this discussion over there. Okay. All good?
Yeah, so let's log off now so that
Let's
we
log
can
off
start
now.
immediately.
Please log in again.